Actually, we are doing solid management waste through the cleaner production method. And as you know, in textile, cotton is the major input. So before cleaner production method, it was discovered that 8% of cotton waste was lost. We, instead of 80%, which was going as a solid waste, we have reached up to 4%. So due to all those benefits, without any investment per year, we have gained around 10,500 US dollars. And the good thing we have done is we are not only using the solid waste of Itexirwa only. We are also using the dry solid waste from other companies. Before cleaner production method, we were also burning. We were burning the waste. If we go into calculation, we are every month saving 3,200 US dollars.